Hello friends, so today we are going to solve exercise 2b in which we have addition story sums. So let us begin. So here we have exercise 2b. So these are all addition story sums. So we have to solve these in a notebook, no need of pencils. So bring your pens. And here, first question. Suryans bought a plot for 7 rupees here. While saying any amount when rupees is there, rupees will be there in the starting, but you have to say it in the last because it doesn't seem nice, like rupees 70,68,420. You are not used to this. You can say Suryansh bought a plot for 70,68,420 rupees. He spent 60,75,000 rupees as construction cost. How much total amount did he spend? This is very easy. This is just amount of plot, construction cost, total amount spent. That's it. These are the sentences, and just we'll add. In the starting we'll write a few sentences because that is nice. So let us start. So here we have first bit. Amount Suryans spent to buy the plot equal to 70,68,470. And construction cost is 60,75,000. So what is the total cost spent by Suryans? The total cost spent by Suryans is, in brackets, what is there? 70,68,470 plus 60,75,000. So now we have to add them. We'll add them in the here only because it's the main part. So let us add. So 70,000,57,06. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 0, 7, 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry over, 1, 14, 1 carry over, 1, 7 plus 6, 13, right? 13. So here our answer. 1 crore 31 lakh 43,470 rupees. Here this is all rupees only, right? Total cost, this is the total cost, this is the plot's cost, and this is the construction cost. So now what is it? The point is total amount spent by Suryansh is 1 crore 31 lakhs 43,470 rupees. So here we have written a point. Now let's go on to the second bit. So here now we have second bit. So for second bit, what we have to do? A company manufactured 8,20,923,932 bikes in a year. The next year, it manufactured 1 lakh more bikes than the last year. So how many bikes did it manufacture the second year? So this means that in the first year it manufactured 8,20,932 bikes. Now in the next year what happened? It manufactured 1 lakh more bikes. So here we have to do addition again. So let us start. So here we have second bit in the notebook. Bikes manufactured by a company in first year is equal to 8,20,932 in number. But in the next year, here we have to do the addition to find out of 8,20,932 and 1 lakh. So let us start the addition. So here what we have to do, 8, 20, 9, 32, and we have to start from the right side then. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, there were 5 zeros and 1. Let's add. 2 plus 0, 2, 3, 9, 0, 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So here is the final answer. 9,20,932 bikes were manufactured by the company in the second year. Like this we have completed second bit. So here we have third bit. In a cold storage there were 84,23,426 cheddar cheese blocks and 12,56,780 mozzarella cheese blocks. How many total cheese blocks were stored in the cold storage? It means that there were two types of cheese blocks in a cold storage. So first was cheddar cheese blocks and second was mozzarella cheese blocks. The numbers given over here, how many? Now we have to find out how many cheese blocks, means both the types all together are there in the cold storage. So let us start. So here number of mozzarella cheese blocks equal to 2,56,780 and number of cheddar cheese blocks equal to 84,23,426. In the middle we can write in the cold storage also, which is over here, blocks of the in the cold storage. That's also okay. Now total number of cheese blocks in the cold storage is equal to 12,56,780 plus 84,23,426, which means mozzarella cheese blocks plus cheddar cheese blocks. So let us add. 12, 56, 780 and here plus 84, 23, 426. Now let us 0 plus 6, 6, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 as carry over, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 carry over, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 8, 9. So, these are the total number of cheese blocks in the cold storage. Let us write a statement. Total number of cheese blocks in the cold storage are 96,80,000. Here I didn't put comma. 206. So here we have 4th bit. According to a report, in Europe, 6,55,000 people are employed in cycling production, 3,50,000 people are employed in steel sector, and 6,15,000 are in mining and quarrying. how many people in total are employed in these three sectors? So, which means in the Europe, what happened? There were three sectors, and in the three sectors were cycling production, steel sector, and mining and quarrying sector. So here what we had to do, we have to find out how many people work in total in all these three sectors. So let us start. In this, we have to do, we have to just add all the numbers. This whole exercise, it's only addition. So here we have 4-bit. Here I have written the statements. In the next page we will solve the addition. Number of people in the steel sector equal to 3,50,000 people. Number of people in cycling production equal to 6,55,000 people. Number of people in mining and quarrying equal to 6,15,000 people. And total number of people employed in Europe, as it was given in the question, it was Europe. So equal to all the three is addition. So I'll turn the next page so that we can do the addition. So now 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Actually these are three numbers, but these are all zeros, so we're counting it as 2. 0 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 5 10 plus 0 10 only. So 1 carry over 12, 1 carry over 4, 10 16, which means 16,20,000 people. We should not say lakhs, we should say lakh. In any period we had to do like that. The mistake I'm saying, so say it correct. People are employed. You can write in all the three sectors also. I'm writing that only because that's good. In the three sectors. So here we have completed 4-bit. So now we are starting 5th-bit. For 5th-bit we have Daljit drives a taxi. He drove 281 km to 30 meter from Delhi to Jaipur in 6 hours. And the next day he drove 395 kilometers from Jaipur to Udaipur in 7 hours. How much total distance did he cover in meter and in how much time in seconds? So here, I'll tell you what happened. Here Daljit is a person. He drives a taxi, okay? So, for today what he did, he drove 281 kilometer, 230 meter. For a person, he drove 281 kilometer, 230 meter from Delhi to Jaipur in 6 hours. Now he's in Jaipur, right? In 6 hours, okay. And the next, now he's Jaipur, right? Tomorrow. And the next day, he drove 395 kilometers from Jaipur to Udaipur in 7 hours. So this is next day he did 395 kilometers from Jaipur to Udaipur, because he was in Jaipur from Delhi to Jaipur and then he came to Udaipur in 7 hours. Now how much total distance did he cover in meter and how much time in seconds? So here it's given in kilometer, right? We had to convert it to meter and see how much total distance did he cover in meter and how much time in seconds. So 7 plus 6 is 13 hours. Now 13 hours equal to how many seconds? That also we'll search. So let us start. So here is a note. I have written these statements already, as the statements were too long. You can write distance travelled by Daljit. That's better, but there was not too much place, so I did like this. Write in all the three sentences like that. And remember one thing, that it's 395 kilometer, so don't write it in meter by mistake. Okay, that's why I labeled kilometer meter, so that we don't get confused. Now let us add total distance travelled from Delhi to Udaipur. This is Delhi to Jaipur, this is Jaipur to Udaipur. Now we have to find the total distance. 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 0, 2. This is the meter. And now we'll search kilometer. 1 plus 5, 6. 8 plus 9, 17. 1 carry over. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. So this is the distance traveled by Daljit. The total distance traveled by Daljit from Delhi to Udaipur. So now what we have to do, we have to convert it into meters. So let us see how. This is a long one, so it will take a little more time, I think so. So let's continue. So this is 676 kilometer, right? Kilometer. We have to convert into meters. We don't know now. Okay. First of all, we'll convert this, then we'll add 230. So it will become equal. Okay. So now we have to find out how many meters it is. So now 676. 1 kilometer equal to, yes, 1000 meter. A few of you said wrong, I think so. 1000, not 100. Okay. And next, now it's because it's 1000 meter. That's into 1000 we'll do. 1000. You know the property, right? Of multiplying. 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Write your meter. 676. If you don't think this, if you think it's not right, then you can try it out over here. I'm not, because the video will become too long and you will get bored. And next, then now what? Now plus 230 meters. Because this will come over here plus 230 meters. Here we just this will come here, right? That's it. Now 230 meters. That means which is equal to 676,230 meters. Okay, he traveled this much distance in just 2 days. Now next. So here, now what we have to do? So now I have written these statements earlier because there was no place, and I don't know why I am writing OSA again and again. No, okay, now move on to the topic. Time taken to drive from Delhi to Jaipur is 6 hours, and time taken to drive from Jaipur, I forgot to Udaipur is 7 hours. Now we have to add these two to find total time taken to drive from Delhi to Udaipur. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 hours basically. Now in the question what was given, we have to classify it into seconds. So 13 it's hours, right? Means first after hour, this is days, it will go higher and so on will go. But backside what will happen? It will convert into minutes, then seconds, then milliseconds, whatever it is. Maybe I don't know. I might be saying wrong, so sorry for that if I am. So next, so this hours, after that 2 states just to go to seconds, right? So what we have to do, we have to multiply. It is equal to 60, right? Both of them. This is 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So if we convert into like 13 times 60, that will become minutes, and that answer times 60 times, then will be the answer, final answer. That means 13 into 60 into 60 equal to, we have to find. Now 13 into 6, what is 13 into 6? Do you know 13 table? I know, but now I'm not doing it, because few of you might not know. So 3 6 are 18. It's 6, okay. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 78. So here it will come what? 78. Now 0 if we add, here also 0 will come. So 780 minutes. Now this we have to multiply into 60. First let us start with 6. First 6 is 0. 8 6 are 40, 48. 4 is carry over. 7 6 are 42. 44, 42 plus 4, 46. And one more 0. Now this will come here. That's what I know. So that means 46,800 seconds. 800 seconds, oh my goodness. 46,800 sec. We'll write sec because it's the short form. Now, it's done. Here, I'm tired. Now next, we have to move on to the next bit also. We have to complete it soon. And I want to tell you one thing, friends, before starting the next bit, that normally what we do, we write the point, then we write the number. First we write 3 points and then we start the main calculation normally without points. But I didn't do that because it would take too much of place. Already these points are too long, and you can try like that if you want to, because that's more better. But I couldn't, so I did like this. And for the other one also same, I didn't write points in starting, I just started addition directly. So next one, I'll first write the points, then I will start addition, okay? Because it's very short one. Let me show you the question now. So here we have a question. 11,68,975 students appeared in an examination in 2018. Next year, the number increased by 1,50,175 students. How many students did appear in the exam next year? Now, I will take exam of a Maths Olympiad. Here it's an examination. I'm just for explaining, I'm taking the example of a Maths Olympiad. You write it as an examination, this is just for explanation. I repeat. Okay, so what we have to do? Here, 11,68,975 students. Supposing the whole India. Supposing a state, 11,68,975 students appeared for an examination. This is 2018. Next year what happened? The examination was conducted. When the examination was conducted, many of the people out of these told their friends that, see, this is a nice examination, it's so easy, participate in it once. So the number increased by 1,50,175 students. Now we have to tell how many students appeared in the examination next year. That means it's easy, we just have to add, and 3 statements, this, then addition. Then we'll write the last statement, then the solution is completed. So let us start. So here I have written the statement because the video was too long. I noticed it was about 20 minutes. And here, number of students appeared in the examination in 2018. You have to write like this: first statements, then do the calculation separately. Then the last statements means what is the final answer will describe. So number of students appeared in examination in 2018 is equal to 11,68,975. Number of students increased next year, not next year, appeared next year. I didn't write that. Number of students increased next year. If you don't want to write a statement, leave it. It's not important. But these two are important. So you can write number of also. I didn't. I'm writing small one. I'm writing. Write number, big one only, because it's better when you write in your class book. So here, number of students increased next year equal to 1,50,175. Number of students appeared next year means total. What is the number that appeared next year? Now we have to find out. How will we find out? You can, or slash, you can put a question mark. Okay. So now we are adding. 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 7 plus 7, 14, 15, 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 1. Put the commas in bit early only, so that you know where you have place. Or still you'll join them all together, that you'll be unable to put the commas. So will be not even enough place, all will not look nice. So next, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 goes this carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 1. The final answer. So, now what we will be write the last statement? We will write 13 lakh 9, oh, not 18, wait a second, Why do I do mistakes so often? I don't know. 13,19,150 students. I'm extending it till the rough part. Actually, we should not, but I'm able to right now. So without doing that, and now appeared. It is correct. No, appeared in the examination next year. Thanks for watching, friends, and we'll meet you in the next video with the next exercise. Till then, bye.